What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap here on the channel. Today's actually Saturday. Saturday. Hold up. Saturday, October 11th. Yesterday was the 10th, Friday. I didn't film anything yesterday because something happened and I wasn't able to film nor film on short form content. So today is the trade recap. I'm gonna film the trade recap so I don't miss out on anything. So yeah, unfortunately we were in longs. Not unfortunately, it was a good setup, but we got absolutely stop rated. Just dumping. The upside to this is that we're no longer going to be in all-time highs conditions, thankfully, finally, right? And yeah, so let's go on to this trade recap. So first off, checking Forex Factory, we did have news today, nothing tentative. We had prelim UOM consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So that's at 10 a.m. I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. news to drop, or if I get a setup before. For daily buys, which I posted on my Discord every single day, I'm live trading every single day now, Monday through Friday. Today was the first week. It was a pretty good week, even though we did take L's only. Yeah, but if you guys want to join the free Discord, just go to the link in the description. The link to the Discord here will never, ever expire. So make sure you guys join up, and yeah, you guys would be 100% welcome. So I said, leaning bullish. Once more, drawn liquidity can be either the session highs, which is relative equal highs, or previous day's highs. On ES, previous day's highs, or its all-time highs as well. On ES, session highs are equal highs, so which is a very strong drawn liquidity. The first image shows hourly chart right here. You can see that we have respected the bullish fair value gap and inverted the hourly gap above. So now I know that it is respecting bullish and disrespecting bearish. So as you can see right here, we respected this gap right here. The move is sponsored right here, and we inverse this gap right here, and we're going to go towards those session highs. Order flow is bullish. Well, I want to see us inverse the 15-minute gap, go further up to furthermore confirm our bias, and look for one of the two scenarios. One, we take out the 5-minute intermediate low, which low, and look for longs from there. But two, which I like more, is a simple continuation play towards my drawn liquidity, mainly being those session highs, relative equal highs. We do have red folder news, like I said. Go to the news events to check it out. If there is a setup before news, I'll take it. If not, I'm gonna wait for news to come out and decide where it is from there. What do you guys think? Let me know in the whatever. So right here, we have the session highs right here, which is relative equal highs, which is very strong. And then we have this hourly right here. And we have all-time highs / previous day's highs. A condition I wanted to see is we come down, we take out this 5-minute intermediate low, and then we look for longs from there. Main draw being the session highs. Then we also have this simple continuation, but we'd inverse this 15-minute, like I said. Then I want to see us displace through these session highs, and then look for continuation longs to previous day's highs, which we did get the continuation today. So market opened right here. Market opened, already started pumping. Let me just bring out ES as well. Market started pumping. And ES already took out those session highs. So we took out session highs. NQ took a little longer, but ES went right to it. As you guys can see here, these are the session highs. I marked it out as white because they're equal highs. So we have the session highs, got taken out, whatever, right? Now I want to see if we're going to either go down from here or we're going to go up, right? So it's either we go down or we go up. And we started getting some displacement through here. And I was thinking, okay, we have a SMT right here. We have this fair value gap right here. and it was giving a good V-shaped recovery. If I were to inverse that, maybe I would have entered. I don't know, because it's already a good setup. Like, but we're not in anything significant here. Like, let me see. Right here, we're just in this 15-minute gap. And I want to see us, like, do something else. I was super bullish. I didn't want to take any type of shorts. But then I'm seeing ES is displacing through these highs, and so is NQ. We're displacing through these session highs. And like I said, if we were to displace through these session highs, I'm going to look for a continuation model towards all-time highs, or my drawn liquidity being all-time highs. We also take out this hourly draw, hourly high. We make an SMT with it, but I'm not worried, right? I'm not worried at all with it, because on the 5-minute, I'm looking for my continuation model. We have this 5-minute gap right here. We have this 5-minute down here, and we end up opening up this 15-minute gap while inversing this 15-minute right here. So it looks very good. It's either we come down into this fair value gap and look for longs from there, or we come down into this better place, a better scenario for longs to tap into the unfilled 15-minute and unfilled 5-minute. And that's what I wanted to see happen. But I was willing to take out from the 5-minute. But once we tapped into that 5-minute, we just started displacing through it. And I knew we wanted to come down into this 15-minute. So, well, the 15-minute wasn't created yet at that time when we were displacing through the 5-minute. But then once we did open up the 15-minute right here, and we started going up, and then we came down. This is when news came out at 10 a.m. We actually made data wicks. Made a nice data wick, this right here and this right here. While that happened, we tapped into the 15-minute and 5-minute from the data wick. I was willing to take longs from, I think it was a 2-minute. No, it was the 1-minute. This 1-minute inversion right here. But this is the time, like, I wasn't really paying attention. Like, I'm saying I knew these data wicks formed right now, because at the time I didn't even know, like, we formed data wicks. So I'm glad this didn't inverse, because data wicks, as you know, if one of them gets taken out, target the other, obviously, right? And it didn't take out anything, and I'm glad this did not take it out, because after we respected this gap, we came down, we started displacing through the 15-minute gap, but before it closed and the 5-minute candle closed as well, we ended up respecting that 5-minute while also what? Taking out data lows on both indexes, I'm pretty sure. I don't think there was a data wick on ES. Oh no, there was right here. Yeah, we had that data wick on both. We took it out, right? Pretty sure we had some type of SMT. No SMT, so I can just delete this, right? We take out the sell side, we take out the data wick, and we take out data lows. And now I'm looking for an inverse fair value gap to enter longs. Why? Because, okay, continuation model, we respected the 15-minute, we respected the 5-minute. We're in bullish order flow, and we have a clear drawn liquidity being all-time highs. So we took out the data lows, we're in the 15-minute gap, we're in equilibrium of this little range, and we're getting a V-shaped recovery. And what do we get? 3-minute inversion to the upside. I entered right here. By the way, I can't access this freaking 4-minute because the 4-minute gave a very, very good setup, and I wish I had the 4-minute chart. But like low-key, I'm kind of like gamble or not gambling. It's dangerous for me a little bit to take 3 minutes because there could be the 4-minute for value gap. But we didn't have it. So I took this 3-minute right here. After taking out data lows, 15-minute gap, getting respect to 5-minute gap, getting respect to equilibrium of this range, right? And we have this 3-minute inversion right here. I enter right here for a risk to reward of a 1-to-1. I was going to go break even at this data highs, which I also would have taken. Nah, I don't think I would have taken anything because this is a 1-to-1. Stop loss was at this body candle closure right here. And then TP all-time highs. I did put it a little bit above just to make it a 1-to-1. And yeah, it was a good setup. I'd give this a very, like, I'll give this an A setup. A setup because we were like chopping a whole lot. Like, as you can see, like before, right here, it was not too good of price action. But it did end up delivering. It did end up giving us a good inversion model, a good continuation model. A setup, just too bad. Literally, Trump considers raising tariffs while I'm in my trade. And it ends up dumping. I'm not going to go all the way down there again. But this is a good setup. I take this 10 out of 10 times over and over and over again. What was saving us in the beginning, though, was this 2-minute gap right here. Like, as you can see, it tapped into it and did that. But then after we inversed it, we went up again, whatever, and we got stopped out. Unfortunate, but now we're out of all-time highs conditions, so should be a pretty good time now, hopefully, right? Hopefully we don't just retrace overnight and go back to all-time highs conditions. But yeah, overall, good, very good setup. I take this again 10 out of 10 times. It was a very good setup. Data lows get taken out. 15-minute gap, 5-minute gap gets respected. Continuation model, V-shaped recovery with the 3-minute inversion. I wish I caught that 4-minute though. And yeah, so that basically concludes the trade recap. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. But this is a trade recap. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys took this long, comment down below, I took this long. If you took a short, comment down, I took the short. I want to know, like, no, and if you took the short, please give me a reason why you took the short, because I don't understand why. Like, I'm not, like, criticizing anyone or anything. I don't understand why people would short this right here. We did have an SMT with this high right here. That's not a good reason enough for me to short right now, because we respect the 50-minute. We're in bullish order flow. And yeah, I know the motion model from Riley Ball, the freaking literally cooked. But yeah, there was an SMT right here as well. But yeah, that concludes the trade recap. Please let me know if you took this long. Comment down below, I took this long. And if you took the short, please comment down, I took the short, and a reason why. I just want to know the reasoning behind it, because I'm really stuck on why. But yeah, if you guys watched this throughout this whole video, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, like I said. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and go follow the other socials. And again, if you guys want to join the Discord, just go to my link in the description. Join from there. Follow the socials. Link in the description. And I'll see you guys on Monday. No Monday, no trade recap, no nothing. It's a bank holiday, so I'll see you guys Tuesday if I end up taking a trade. God bless you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. See you.